Alright, and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can create a connection between Codex and WordPress so that Codex can control your WordPress site and, for example, create pages or publish blogs, etc. So what you do in your WordPress installation, you head into your profile. You're going to press on your profile right there. From there now you're going to scroll down and you are going to scroll down to application passwords. Here you're going to give this a name. I'm going to call this YouTube tutorial, just like this. After that you get a unique password and you need to copy that. From there on out you're gonna head into Codex, and into Codex you give him the following prompt. Hey Codex, please establish a connection to this WordPress website. Use this application password. So here you paste in this, and you're gonna head back into the site. You're going to scroll up and here you're going to see your username. You copy this username, I'm going to paste it into Codex. This password. Use this username. And to this WordPress website, dash, like this. And you're just going to copy the URL of your WordPress website, like this. And then the thing I want him to do is I want him to write an article about 5 chickens that walked on a farm and did no harm. I'm gonna send it, I'm gonna wait, I'm gonna be back when it's done. And just like that, after a couple of minutes you'll be showed a live URL, and there is the article about the 5 chickens who walked the farm and did no harm. And just like that you're able to have endless possibilities how you can control your WordPress installation by using Codex.